So here we are now with MRMC. We have them here in the front of our booth, and front and center, we've set up the QRS rails. So joining me to introduce everything we're showing off is Adam Medry from MRMC. Adam, thank you very much for being part of our booth here.
Happy to be here. Happy to be here.
Give us the rundown of what we're showing off.
We're showing off a couple different pieces of hardware. We're showing off our LLS, our light lift system, our QRS, our quiet rail system, working in conjunction with our Polymotion Chat automated tracking software.
Okay.
So all this stuff works together. All of it can be tied together, pieced together, or it can be individual units working separately. Camera agnostic. We don't care which camera you're going to put on it. You want to put a PTZ optics on it. You want to put a bird dog on it. You want to put a Panasonic on it. We'll work with any camera and any camera company.
Yep. And you'll see when we're not blocking the camera, as that moves across, Polymotion Chat is recognizing the bodies in front of it. And this is where the power comes in not only controlling the PTZ camera, but the motion on your rails, your lifts. It really has a lot of advanced capabilities.
Absolutely. You're looking at the little wireframes that it's drawing on the people. It's actually AI generating wireframes to give unique identifiers to every individual that comes on the camera. So every individual that comes on is uniquely identified, and you can track or not track as needed, very specifically people that are on the screen. And you set all the parameters up for how you want to follow and how you want to motion track any individuals that you want to follow.
And we only have a 2-meter rail set up here, obviously just to demo this. But this can be set up and configured for pretty much as long as you need for your application.
We just sold a 50-foot section out. I've just quoted out a 70-foot, 75-foot section. Right here you can see there's two pieces. There's a 0.8-meter section and a 1.2-meter section joined together. It just simply screws together very, very quickly, very easily, and you can make this rail as long as you want.
And we have it mounted on tripods, but you could combine it with the lift systems and now really get some additional movements and robotics and everything else put into it.
It's a good point. It was a huge hit at NAB.
Yeah.
We actually showcased a dual LLS configuration where you put an LLS column on either side, and then you simply lifted the whole rail up and down. In a very tight space, you get a simulated sort of jib output where you can go up and down and side to side, and then with your zoom, it looks like you're going in and out. So really, really powerful solution. Again, use the pieces individually or use them together, however you want to work it.
That's awesome. Adam, thank you so much for the intro.
Thank you, Jim.